Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I have a jewelry unboxing from the brand Dove X. Actually this company contacted me asking whether I want to do an honest review of one of their items. So I said why not? You guys know how much I love jewelry. So I couldn't pass the offer and I said yes, I'll do an honest review. So they sent me this item and I'm going to unbox with you guys. Their shipping is very fast. They contacted me on Friday, I think. Yeah, Friday evening, saying that they shipped my item. And today is Monday and I got my package today. They shipped it very nicely. They packaged it very nicely. So when I received my package, the bag was inside the package, but I put everything inside to just show you guys. Inside the packaging, they had wrapped these 3 items. One is a polishing cloth, one service card. It's a service card, maintenance card for 12 years, and also they have included this information card or booklet. Now let me show you the main item. Here it is, and it was nicely wrapped again with a bubble wrap, and also this was inside a box. So it was nicely secured inside a box with bubble wrap, and there was a polythene here as well, which was stretchable polythene. It's not like cheap looking polythene, it was stretchable. So this is going to be the real unboxing because I haven't peeked inside this box yet. I took the polythene out. Other than that, I haven't opened the box yet, or I haven't peeked inside this box yet. So let's do this together. I'm super excited. Ta-da! Here is the box inside the box, and to reveal you have to press this button. There is a crystal in the front. I don't think you can see, but there is a crystal in the front. Ta-da! So this is a moissanite necklace. This is not diamond, this is moissanite. If you guys don't know what is moissanite is, I'm going to give you some information about that. And you can see how they have packaged this item inside this box as well. They have put this polythene, the rubbery type of polythene. Let me take this out and I'm going to show you properly. Here is the necklace. Look at how sparkly this is. This is a 2-carat moissanite necklace. I'm going to hold it like this and I'm going to talk about what is moissanite is. So moissanite is a very rare gemstone or mineral discovered by a French chemist, Henri Moissan, in 1893. He discovered it while examining rock samples from a meteor crater located in Canyon Diablo, Arizona. Yes, it was first discovered in Arizona from my state. So that was really special. But because of its rarity, it's very hard to find them in the nature, in their natural form. So what human did, they make them in the lab. So this is a lab created moissanite necklace. And this is in 14-carat white gold. And to be clear guys, this is moissanite. This is not fake diamond or cubic zirconia or lab created diamond. It has its own individuality, a very rare gemstone. Like I said, it was found in a meteor crater. So it's very hard to find in the nature. That's why they create this gemstone in the lab. Okay, so here is my diamond ring and here is moissanite. You can see how similar they are, this sparkle and how they look like. Do you see any difference? I don't. It looks very similar to my diamond ring. So if you are looking for an alternative engagement ring, for 1/10 of the price of a diamond ring, then definitely consider a ring with moissanite. And also one more thing, if you travel a lot and you don't want to travel with your diamonds, then moissanite is the best stone to travel with. You don't have to worry about losing your diamond. Like I said, diamond is 10 times expensive than moissanite, so if you lose this also, it will not hurt you a lot. And the website Dove X, they have bracelets, they have earrings, rings, necklaces, they have in sterling silver, they have in yellow gold, they have in white gold, they have in rose gold, they have, I think, platinum plated on sterling silver. They have many choices. You visit their website and check if you like something. If you like something, then get them. I think they have free return as well. I'm not sure if they have free shipping and return. Yeah, they have 30 days free return or exchange, so you can order them, and if you don't like, you can always return them or exchange them. Let me wear it and show you guys how it looks. This is how it looks. It's very pretty. Do you like this one? I love it. Look at this. So pretty. I'm definitely going to get some more of these, and in the future I may do a giveaway of this beautiful moissanite. So pretty. I just love it. By the way, they didn't pay me to say good things about their product or their company. Their only requirement was to do an honest review about their item. That's it. So from that you can tell how authentic they are with their customers. And also I'm very honest to you guys. I don't want to just lie for something. So let me tell a little bit more about this brand or this company. So the company Dove X, they are the leading moissanite sellers in the US market since 2016. They ranked number 1 from Amazon list by moissanite ring and ranked as top 20 jeweler in 2020 by enterprise.com. And I'm going to put their website in the description box, so check them out. Now I'm going to talk about diamond versus moissanite. The number one thing, moissanite cost 1/10 the price of a diamond and sparkles brighter because of its higher refractive index. The occurrence of moissanite, which is silicon carbide, in nature is very rare, but it can now be manufactured in factories to be used as an imitation for diamonds. Other than the price, a big difference between diamonds and moissanite is that diamond is a great electric insulator while moissanite is an electric conductor. I don't know what to do with that, but moissanite is an electric conductor and diamond is an electric insulator. And the second reason, you buy diamond because of its color, right? So diamonds usually have a yellow or brown tinge. The true colorless diamonds are very rare, whereas moissanite is transparent, green or yellow. Next category is luster. Diamond is adamantine, whereas moissanite is adamantine to metallic. Next category, which is occurrence. Diamond is natural, moissanite is natural and factory made. Next category is refractive index, which is, I think, the sparkle or the reflection it gives. Diamond has 2.417, whereas moissanite has 2.654 and 2.967. So the sparkle that you get from moissanite is higher than the diamond. Next is the cost. Diamond is very high, whereas moissanite not very expensive, 1/10 of a diamond. Then the next category is crystal system. Diamond has hexoctahedral, which is cubic in the bracket, and moissanite most common hexagonal space group. I don't know what is that. The next category, hardness, extremely hard, which is diamond, 10 on the Mohs scale, whereas moissanite is very hard, which is 9.5 on Mohs scale, so 0.5 less than diamond. Next category is crystal habit. Diamond has isometric or octahedral, whereas moissanite has hexagonal. Diamond you can use for jewelry, in industrial purposes, high pressure experiments, and also they use for cutting tools, whereas moissanite you can use for jewelry, most often as diamond simulant, high pressure experiment. There are so many differences guys, so many comparison between two, but I'm going to tell you the melting point. Melting point of diamond is 3550 centigrade, whereas moissanite can melt in 2730 centigrade. It will decompose in that temperature. Then the next category is the chemical formula. C is for diamond and SiC, which is silicon carbide, is for moissanite. And the last but not the least category is material. Diamond is a natural material, whereas moissanite is natural and synthetic. I hope you got an idea the difference between diamond and moissanite. This is not diamond, this is moissanite. It has its own individuality, so you can't compare this with a diamond. I mean, you can compare, but this is not lab created diamond. This is moissanite, which has different elements in it. So you can't say that this is a diamond, but this is a great alternative of diamond for 1/10 of the price of a diamond. So that is it guys, that is it for this unboxing / review video of this beautiful necklace from Dove Eggs. I hope you liked this video and this jewelry and the moissanite stone or gemstone, whatever you call it. And I'm going to link the website in the description box, so if you are interested then please visit and check the website. And also I'm going to put the link to this item in the description box, so if you are interested in this particular item then check the description box. So that is it for this review / unboxing video. I hope you like this video. If you did, please give me a like and please subscribe. Thanks again for watching this video and see you again in my next one. Bye.